Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MTL Box Breaks. It is Saturday, February the 8th, and it's 9:03 a.m. Eastern Time. This is break number 521, which is a two-box break of Panini Limited 2011-12. So here are the serial numbers 99280755 and 99281819. So let's begin with this one. Oh, let me show you that's a brand new box. Anyways, this box is there's only one pack inside, but alright, so let's go ahead with this. Here's the pack. Let's put it here. Empty box, checklist. Alright, so good luck, everyone. Alright, so here we have for Philadelphia, Jeremy Jagr, sorry about that. Let's see the focus. Jeremy Jagr, Philadelphia, numbered out of 299. Spotlight for the Colorado Avalanche, Patrick Roy. This one is numbered out of 49. Banner season for Detroit, Nicholas Lindstrom. Numbered out of 299. We have a redemption card. Phenoms rookie, card number 237. We'll check that at the end of the break. Phenoms rookie, card 237. Trade team marks for the LA Kings, Ansei Kopitar. This one's numbered out of 99. And for Dallas, banner season, prime, Louis Erickson. That's a thick jersey there. This one's numbered out of 50. For Dallas, Chris Cleaners, Kari Leitanen. Numbered out of 199. And the last card of this pack for the Anaheim Ducks, Jean-Sébastien Giguère. This one is numbered out of 199. Alright, so let's do the second one. Here's the serial number again. NE99280755. Pack, checklist, empty box. Alright, so here we have for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. numbered out of 299. Zach Parise for the New Jersey Devils, number 1 out of 299. Banner season for the Boston Bruins, Tim Thomas, numbered out of 299. Limited Phenoms for Toronto Maple Leafs, Ben Scrivens, autograph, numbered out of 299. For the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton, numbered out of 99. We have a nice team trademarks for the Edmonton Oilers. This one's prime. Nice hit for the Oilers of Taylor Hall. This one's number out of 25. And the last one is Matt Duchene, trade team marks for the Colorado Avalanche. And this one's numbered out of 299. Let's check this redemption. So here 2011, 12 Panini limited. Where is it? Oh, here it is. And it's Phenoms rookie. Phenoms rookie. Card number 237. 237 goes to the Nashville Predators, and it's Craig Smith. Here, let me show you the card again. Phenoms rookie, card 237. So here you see Phenoms rookie, Panini limited, card 237. It's right here. Yeah, that's it. Card 237. Is that what I said before? I think what did I say before? No, that's it. 237. Here it is for the Minnesota Wild. Brett Bulmer. I think I made a mistake before. I said Nashville. I'm not sure about it. Here you see it. Card 237. I remember what I said at the beginning. Maybe I saw the wrong number, but it goes to Minnesota Wild, Brett Bulmer. Card 237. Phenoms rookie. Alright. So I apologize if I call it bad at the beginning. Alright, so let me just do a quick recap here. So this one goes to Minnesota, Brett Bulmer, the redemption card. And then we got hits from Matt Duchene, Colorado, Taylor Hall, Edmonton, Joe Thornton, San Jose, Ben Scrivens, Toronto, Tim Thomas, Boston, Zach Parise for the New Jersey Devils, Jordan Eberle for Edmonton, Jean-Sébastien Giguère for Anaheim, Kari Leitonen for Dallas. Louis Erickson for Dallas. Hansi Kopitar for the LA Kings. Niklas Lindstrom for Detroit. Patrick Roy for Colorado. And Jaromir Jagr for the Philadelphia Flyers. Alright, so thank you very much for joining the break. I hope that you guys got good hits here and hope to see you back on next breaks.